Today I'm going to tell you that how you can make a bootable USB of Mac OS Monterey. I already made video about Catalina and people really like that video. If you want me to make video about Big Sur, I would definitely do that for you guys. And don't please before I move further, please go and hit the subscribe button down below. And alright, so what you need to do at this point, you need a USB which is at least 16 gigabytes. The one I'm using right now is 64. So for making a bootable USB, first you need to make sure that your USB drive is formatted and totally erased with Mac OS Extended General. So for that we need to go into the launchpad over here, and then we need to go into the others and disk utility. You can also search for that like this, disk utility, enter, and at this point you see that this install Mac OS Monterey is already there, and it's 64 gigabyte USB. Make sure you erased it into Mac OS Extended General. If it's in like APFS format, it's not gonna allow you to make your USB bootable for Mac OS Monterey. While it's erasing, what you need to do at this point, go into your app store, make sure your Apple ID is signed in already, and at this point search Mac OS Monterey right here. And as you can see, I already download this from here. Like it's the file was around like 12.1 gigabytes, so I already downloaded. Once you download it, it's gonna go into your applications. So as you can see that bootable USB is already erased. Click done and close this. Now you need to go into your application, click on go all the way at the top, and then applications. You can use this key like shift command and A to go into your applications. Like if I would do like that, and I'm in application right now. So as you can see that it says install macOS Monterey. Right click on it, go to show package content, click on open the content folder, and then resources. After that you need to go into, you need to find a file which is named as create installed media. So we will drag this window over here, and now we are going to open the terminal the way we open the disk utility. Hit enter. So at this point we have to have like administrator access. For that we need to type sudo space, and now we need to drag this create installed media file into the terminal. As you can see, I dragged it over here. Now you need to type dash dash volume space, and now when it's asking for the volume, it's gonna be actually our bootable USB. So I click on it, and now I'm gonna drag it to the terminal and drop it here. So that's the only thing you need to do to make your bootable USB of Mac Monterey OS. Hit enter. At this point it's going to ask you for the password, and this password is actually your MacBook Pro login password. And now it's asking to erase. If yes, press Y, enter, and it's going to erase it one more time, and then it's going to start copying the file. As you saw that Monterey, macOS Monterey was 12.1 gigabytes, so that is why this thing is going to take time. So let's just give it a time, and we'll be right back. Alright, so as you can see now, the media creation has been completed. The copying to the disk has been 100%, and now you can use this USB bootable USB of macOS Monterey to install macOS Monterey in any laptop, any MacBook Pro, any specifically Apple laptop, or Mac, iMac, or anything you want to. Alright, so that's it for the day. I'm gonna make video about how to install this Mac OS on Monterey in the MacBook Pro, and using the same USB. Alright, so that's it for the day. Have a good one, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, please, and have a good one. Bye bye.